system operated on the canals in the UK. So right away through a tunnel, very much dictated by who gets to the tunnel entrance first. And I think we're going to try to squeeze. We'll come back up. Yeah. So we've got here first. So we're going here, we're going forward. So let's do that. Now, as I said earlier, before engine-powered boats, the method of transport was done by horses, tied along by rope attached to the front of the boat, along tow paths, as you can see on the right-hand side here. And you notice this particular tow path ends before the entrance to the Maida Hill Tunnel, which is probably 250 metres long. And the reason that being is that when it was constructed, it was too expensive for two people to extend the tow path through the tunnel. So the boats that were being pulled by horses would moor up, the crew would untie the horse or horses, lead them up the staircase on the right hand side, across the bridge about the other side for the boat to come through. Now without a horse or an engine to power the boat, the method was to